Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning, very good morning, very good morning. Good morning. Don't worry, I will inform you. Take out revision register quickly. Fresh page, today's date, SST revision continue. Quickly join all of you. Ready? On your cameras. Don't put off your cameras. Let's start social studies revision. We will continue with yesterday's revision. Okay, 12 questions I gave you yesterday. Today, right, question number 13. First of all, write the important diagrams for the exam. So the diagrams that are important are flag of the UNICEF, flag of the UNESCO, flag of the UNICEF, flag of the UNESCO, symbol of the FAO, flag of the UNICEF, flag of the UNESCO, symbol of the FAO. And number 4, national flag. Our national flag. I'm repeating. Important diagrams. Flag of the UNICEF. Flag of the UNESCO. Symbol of the FAO. Our national flag. Practice these diagrams very thoroughly. Okay. The next question. Yes. Our national flag. Your national flag. The country in which you live. Okay. Next question. Name the 5 organs of the UN. Name the 5 organs of the UN. Name the 5 organs of the UN. Number 2 means next question. Which are which are the which are the main objectives? Which are the main objectives of the UN? Which are the main objectives of the UN? Kartike beta, you are not in school dress. Why? You just got up and you just joined the class without wearing school dress. Okay. Which are the main objectives of the UN? All of you have written this? Next question. Write a short note on Write a short note on the contribution. Write a short note on the contribution. Write a short note on the contribution of India towards the UN. Of India towards the UN. Write a short note on the contribution of India towards the UN. Done? Write a short note on the contribution of India towards the UN. Done? Next, who discovered who discovered the sea route? Who discovered the sea route? Siddhi, on your camera. On your camera. On your camera. It's okay on your camera. I want to see your face. Show me your face, not your hair, forehead, full face. Put your phone away, little far. You are in color dress. Yes. Secondly, you don't want your photograph. You don't want. Acha. And what about Sukaina? Where is Sukaina? Sukaina has also not come and take the photograph. Sukaina is not here in the group right now. Siddhi wear school dress while attending the class. Okay. Hmm. Sukaina has not turned up to take the photograph, and Siddhi has not turned up. Kartike will take today. Yes. Okay. Then who discovered the sea route? Who discovered the sea route from Europe to the east? From Europe to the east. Who discovered the sea route from the Europe to the east? Divya Dhamija, are you writing? What are you doing? Acha. You're looking here and there. Acha. Right. Next. Why did why did Siraj ud Daula, why did Siraj, Siraj dash UD dash DAULAH? I'm repeating. Why did Siraj ud Daula, Siraj dash UD dash DAULAH, Siraj ud Daula declare war against the British? Declare war against the British. Manvi, your eyes are okay now? Better? Okay, very good. Then next, what were the what were the consequences? What were the consequences? Consequences. What were the consequences? Consequences. Consequences of the revolt. Of the revolt of 1857. Of the revolt of 1857. Of the revolt of 1857. What were the consequences of the revolt of 1857? Once, are you doing everyday revision, learning, preparing? Okay, very good. I want everybody to be prepared well in advance before your exams because scheme has been given to you 1 month before. So you had plenty of time. And Arhan Sahil, are you studying daily? Okay, very good. I want everybody to pass with very good marks. Where is Rishita? Rishita is not joining the class. Who is this Dia Masi? Dia Masi? Dia Masi? Dia Masi is Kapil. Kapil, are you studying daily, doing your revision properly? Okay. All right. Next question. Who was Bahadur Shah Zafar? 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 Done? Acha, just check whether you have written this question. Write a short note on when did India become free. Have you written this question? No? Written? Write a short note on when did India become free. Okay. Then write next question. Then write next question. Write a short note on the functions of the legislature. Write a short note on the write a short note on the functions of the legislature. Write a short note on the functions of the legislature. Okay. This question you have written. What are the functions of the state high court? How is the president of India elected? Acha, this you have written. This you have written. What name did Gandhiji give to the untouchables? Who founded the Indian National Congress and when? Okay. Okay. So now these were few important questions. I have given to you mixed up questions as a revision. Now you have to learn these questions, test yourself, check yourself, plus do not forget to learn the exercises which are given at the back of the chapter. Okay, plus practice the diagrams, plus do not forget to read the lesson. Okay, the small questions from in between the lesson can come. Make sure you read them and keep them in your mind. The value points also, the key word bank also. Right? So prepare yourself very well for the exam. Monday, you will be having your GK paper. Whatever will be the timings, I will inform you. Okay. GK moral both or only GK? GK moral both or only GK? Check the scheme properly. Some are saying only GK, some are saying GK moral both. Check the scheme properly. Yes. So whatever will be the timings of the exam, that I am going to inform you today itself in the group. I will message. Okay. Just now, the same thing you have to do as you did yesterday. You have to learn these questions, then write without looking in the book. Take pen. It may be a red pen, blue pen, black pen, any pen of your wish. Color pen also, glitter pen also. Check it. Be honest in checking also. Whatever mistakes you have done, circulate and cross. After that, on a fresh page, put heading correction and correct it. Okay. So you will be the student and you will be the teacher also. And you can also give marks according to your wish. Like 2 marks, one question, or 1 mark, one question, like this. Clear? Now today also Saturday timetable will be followed. So next period is your Hindi period. Be ready with it. Yes. All right then. Bye bye.